So now you want to use a pry tool and get it up underneath. You want to just get it gently behind this clip and pop this out of the body mount. Next, you want to grab the connector here, press down, and work the connector out. Separate these two. On the body mount pieces, we want to go ahead and just work this out. Then you can use a screwdriver or a pry tool, and there's just two little tabs. You're going to pinch these together and work this connector out. You can do the same for this connector right here. It has two little tabs on the inside. Pop that out. Let's go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt. I'm going to spin that right out. I'm going to go ahead and grab the unit itself and gently wiggle it back and forth and pull that out. Installation, go ahead and take the tip of the sensor, put that in, and press that down, work it in. Reinstall your 10mm bolt. I'm going to go ahead and snug this down. I'm going to go ahead and attach this tab right here. Snaps into place. Grab your second tab, line this up. Pop that in right there. The other body mount tab, just snapped it into place here. Reconnect the connector here. And then take your little mounting tab and push that back up into the hole on the bottom side of the body. And get that wheel lined up, pushed on. And we're going to go ahead and get the lug nuts all started by hand. I'll go ahead and snug those down. Using our 19mm socket, we're going to go ahead and torque these down to 79 foot-pounds. Now our particular vehicle has a locking lug nut on here. You're going to want to go ahead and use the specific tool that comes with this. If you don't want to have a locking lug nut, you can go down and acquire a replacement lug nut from your local auto parts store. We're going to go ahead and torque that down to 79 foot-pounds as well.